Hey everyone, it's Rick Silva, Rick Sells Tools on eBay and YouTube. Thanks for joining another tool haul. Let me go grab the box. I've been wanting to do this one for 5 or 6 months. I just haven't gotten to it. Let me go get this big box. This thing is a monster. So I want to thank the shipping company for such an unbelievably great job packing this knot. This is a mess. So this is, you pay anywhere from $20 to $100 for shipping, and they take the tools. Oh my God, this thing weighs a ton. They take the tools, they throw them in a box, they tape it up, and that's it. And this is how it came. Here we go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna glove up for this one. I have not cleaned these tools and they are dirty. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, this is a monster. This is gonna take a little while. I'll do my best. Okay. The most exciting part about doing these tool hauls is I don't know what's in there. I mean, when you get a lot of these auction wins, you can't see everything. You got an idea, but you don't know for sure. First one, Williams Super Wrench. This is it's a double box, but it doesn't have an offset basically at all. Williams Super Wrench, forged in the USA, alloy steel. No sizing yet. Let's turn her over. It's 1 5/16 by 1 1/4, 1 5/16 by 1 1/4. The model number is 4038B. Trying to figure out, this is not gonna fit. I'm gonna have to slide the camera all over the place to get this all, because there's gotta be a couple hundred wrenches in here. This is probably gonna get shot in 2 parts because my back's gonna blow out from standing here. This is forged alloy steel. That's a Blackhawk AW-1012 Blackhawk. I'm assuming the 1012 means 12 inches. Let's see if she works before I get too excited. Stiff. Just needs to be lubed. This does have the screw. And when you see the ones with the screw, you can take that out and take the wrench apart. This is just dirty. I'll get this working, no problem. It's just really dirty, but there it is. There's a Blackhawk. It's a nice looking wrench. Soak that in some simple green, brush the teeth. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll do a cleaning video, or in a separate video, we'll see. This is a Blackhawk 13/16 BW-1167A. 13/16 combination wrench. That's a nice looking wrench. Tom, if you're watching this, I got a bunch of Blackhawks for you. I don't know, actually, I don't know how many Blackhawks are in here, but there's 2 so far. Look at that monster. That's a Blackhawk screwdriver. Again, this is the most exciting part because I don't know what's in here. Blackhawk ST1084, ST1084. That's a nice looking screwdriver. If that's a 12-inch wrench, that's a 13-inch screwdriver. What brand is this? This is a Williams, made in the USA, S-43. S-43, that's a 1/2-inch drive. It has a US patent number on it. She locked up. I'm gonna have to soak this. That one's locked up. I'll see if I can get it work. Whoo, that's tight. We'll see if I can get that working. Or if you're a restoration type of person, you want to restore it, let me know and I can do a discount on it and put it on eBay and you can buy it, then you can restore it. Everything here, remember, Rick Sells Tools on eBay. I see a set here. I'm just waiting to pull it out so I can keep it all together. It's an entire Williams Super Wrench set. I'll get to that. I'll pull them out all at once. This is a working man's wrench. It has been used as a hammer. It's a 1/2-inch by, I can't read it. This wrench has put in some toll time. I mean, serious business. This is a Williams. It has a number 34 here. It has a diamond here. So if you know what those mean, it's a 34 here and a diamond here. This wrench is a monster. I don't know what these are called. This is a very special kind of wrench that has been beat to hell. But it's a beauty and it's heavy, man. Here's an S wrench, which I've never owned one of these before. Little surface rust. It's a 79C right there, 79C. This is a Williams wrench. Williams S wrench. I don't see sizes on it. That's a beauty. That just needs to be cleaned up. I'm seeing this. And I don't know what it's called. Is this just a breaker bar? This is a Blackhawk 110X. 110X Blackhawk. I think it's just a breaker bar. I've never seen one like this. That's cool. I don't know if this is someone's collection, but this whole box is Blackhawk. Well, about half of it. This is wasted. This is a Blackhawk M1049 feeler gauges, but it's, I could put that back together actually. It just needs a new screw. Blackhawk feeler gauges. One of the cool things about doing this, I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're heavy into tools, is the story that these tools could tell. This is a J.H. Williams & Co. super adjustable 10-inch alloy wrench. Right out of the box. I've had this sitting on a shelf for 5 or 6 months. These wrenches are probably, everything here is, I'm guessing 20 to 90 years old. Just need some TLC and some lube. Does it have the screw? It does right there. Wow, look at that. Blackhawk 49975, 49975, half-inch drive. Woo, if this works. We're gonna find out together. 49975. Let's find out if it works. We'll do it on camera and then I'll hold it up to my microphone. Yeah, baby. So you can hear it. Switch it. Little bit of binding. I think it just needs to be lube. What a beauty. Half-inch drive. I'm going to say 14 inches long. Wow. Wow. Another Blackhawk 49945. 49945, half-inch drive. Just needs to be lubed. It's just sticking a little bit. Some of these might not have spun in 30 or 40 or 50 years. Have been probably sitting in a barn somewhere. Yeah, it works fine. Just this needs to be lubed. Williams Super Wrench. Don't see any sizing yet till I flip it. 7/8 by 3/4. Model's number 7731A. 7731A. Okay, I'm gonna move everything over this way because 100 more wrenches to go, it looks like, or 100 more tools at least to go. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I think I'll just try to do this entire Williams set right now. I can just see it kind of staring at me. This one's staring at me also, so let's get this one out of the way. This one looks like it has not been used very much. Blackhawk 34945, 34945. Look at that handle. Holy smokes. See if it works. Oh yeah. Adjust it. This one doesn't have a lot of miles on it. This is a beauty. Wow. Okay, now we'll go to the, let's see if I can do this in size order. They've all been marked. I don't understand why people put a big grind marks in it. Unbelievable. So these are monsters, and they all look like they say DVN right there. These are all super wrenches, and for some reason they grind off the Williams. I guess that's the way it wasn't enough to put the owner's mark. They got to grind the super wrench wording off. But anyway, this is 1 1/8 combination wrench. Williams super wrench model number 11. 1172. Now model number 1172. Next one, super wrench, model number 1171. These wrenches have been used. Model number 1171, 1 1/16. Super wrench, Williams. Looks like we have a duplicate here. They both have the same number. They're both 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch combination wrench. Williams super wrench, 1 inch. Model number 1170, 1170. So here we have model 1172, 1171, 1170. Here's another 1170. Just a little bit of surface rust, all of these. These can be cleaned up so easy. Hey, they didn't grind this one off. Williams, look at that. 1 inch. There's a bunch of them in here. This is model number 1167A. 1167A. 13/16. This is model number, this one's either older or newer. Based on this, I'm going to say this one might be older. This is a Williams 11/16. Number 1165. Williams number 1165. This is a double open end wrench. 15/16, 1 inch by 15/16, 1 inch by 15/16. No, there is a model number. 10. Dirty 1033C, I believe. I'll clean that up and let you know later. This is the model, this is number 1168, super wrench. Another one, no owner's mark and no grinding. How awesome. 15/16, Williams, super wrench, 1168. 15/16. Here, look at this. This is cool. Super wrench. Want to see what's cool? They welded a 3/8 drive on there. Is that half inch drive? They welded a 1/2 inch drive onto this 5/8 wrench. Really cool. Model number 1163, 9/16 combo wrench, 9/16 combo wrench. Model number 1163. This one's put in some work. Williams 3/4 inch combination wrench, 3/4 combination wrench. Model number 1166. 1166. This is a 5/8 combination wrench, Williams. 1164. 1164. Five-eighths. This is a Williams 1/2 inch, 1162. 1162. Williams super wrench. 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, 1162. This one's hardly been used. It's just a little dirty. Hasn't been used anywhere near as much as the other one I just showed you. This guy liked Williams and he liked Blackhawk. Here's 1163, another one. 1163. This is a 9/16 combination wrench. 9/16. 1165. No owner's marks. I can't believe it. 1165. Williams Super Wrench 11/16 combo wrench. 11/16 combo wrench number 1165. 1172, 1171, 1170, 1170, 1168, 1167, 1166, 1165, 1164, 1163, 1163, 1162, 1162, 1165. 1130 seconds. Owner's mark and scraped up. Williams Super Wrench. This is a I can't read it. Something 59A. Little teeny tiny. I'm assuming it's 1159. I don't know, 1159 maybe. Because this is 1162, 1159. I'll buy that. Okay, now I'm going to slide these over that way, and we got a whole bunch more wrenches to go. Be right back. Okay, I got a bunch more coming your way. I think what I'll do is I'll start showing you more adjustable wrenches. And while we're at it, another beautiful Blackhawk real quick. It's model number 34945, 34945. What was the other one? Let's look at this one real quick. This one's a 34945. So is this one. Different era for sure. 4945 Blackhawk. Both of them are beauties though. Let's see if she works. Just a little sticky like the other one, just needs to be cleaned and lubed. Yeah, just a little stiff. It could be 20, 30, 40 years that these haven't spun until I'm touching them right now. But there's another Blackhawk. Here come the combo wrenches. Though the loyalty this guy had to Williams and Blackhawk is impressive. This is a Williams AP10A. Williams AP10A. Boy, did he owner's mark this one. Look at that, he welded his owner mark into it. We'll see. If I want to put in that much time, I might sell it as a restoration piece. I'm not a tool restorer, I'm a tool reseller. I don't think this is going to spin. No, this is not even coming close to spinning. Yeah, he didn't treat his adjustable wrenches too well. This one's even worse. This one's a Blackhawk AW1008. AW1008 forged. I cannot believe it spins. It actually spins, but it is, wow. I'll soak these in simple green for a couple days, brush them, it'll get all the grime out. Super adjustable, one of the most beat wrenches I've ever seen, Williams. This wrench has put in unbelievable amounts of work and time. Unbelievable. This wrench is beat, but I think a testament to the strength of the steel. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I cannot believe it spins. Doesn't spin all the way, but it spins. Boy, he treated his adjustable wrenches with brutality. Another Williams & Co. JH Williams & Co. Super adjustable 6-inch. Does not spin at all. If you want me to sell you any of these so you can restore them, just let me know and I'll work something out with you on eBay. Super adjustable 6-inch JH Williams & Co. Does this one spin? This one works fine. Yep. Whew. I think we'll do some pliers next. Williams pliers PL-5, and in here it says H2538. H2538. The model number looks like the Williams USA PL-5. Is that focusing? I'm trying to get the focus. Look at that. Wow. Those are beauties. Here's a, so those must have been 5-inch because this is a Williams PL-8. Williams PL-8. I do see it. Beautiful. Wow. Some needle nose Williams number 76. Needle nose pliers Williams number 76. They say nothing else. Don't have the super cool handles, just surface rust. Evapor rust and simple green, these things will look brand new. Again, I know I said it before, if you want to restore these tools yourself, I'll discount them and then you can do all the work. Just let me know. Okay, so we have a 1/2 inch by 9/16, the Super Wrench, Williams 1725B. This one has been highly modified. Highly modified. Another Williams. Boy, his brand loyalty is impressive. 1/2 inch by 9/16, Super Wrench, model number 1728B. .1161. That's going to go over here. Let me just set it down real quick. Here's another 1161, 7/16. And I think this is too. Look at that. I got 3 7/16. I'll just show them both to you at the same time. 2 1161s. Went from no 1161s to 3. We have a J.H. Williams & Co. Dinky Do with no size on it. I mean, this thing is a peewee. Peewee. We have a double box 8723 Super Wrench. Williams Super Wrench, 7/16 by 7/16 by 3/8. 7/16 by 3/8. Offset double box. Williams Super Wrench. Number 1158 Super Wrench, 1158 1/4 inch. Williams number 1160, Williams 1160 3/8. Five sixteenths. Can't read it. What is this one? 1159. These are both 5/16. So it's 1159. Here's two. Two Williams. 1159. Williams 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. BXOE-16. BXOE-16. Combination wrench. Don't know why the numbers are so completely different than the other ones, but there you go. This one is, hey, this has that, I think it's like the military or the old sizing. So this is a Williams number 25. It says it right there, Williams 25. And then on this size it says 5/16 USS, 5/16 USS. And on this size it says 1/4 USS, and then 6160C, and then 5-16 SAE. So it's 5/16 by 1/4, just got a lot of writing. I'm assuming this is military with the USS on it. Whatever you know about that wrench, put it down below, please, on all of these wrenches. This is a Williams double opening wrench. Unique. Okay, here's a Blackhawk BW-1164 5/8 combination wrench. This is a Williams 728 or 72B. I think it's a 728. 3/4 by 9/16. 3/4 by 9/16. Blackhawk BW-1165 11/16. BW-1165 11/16, which goes in order with the other Blackhawk I just showed you. This is a Super Wrench 1033A, 1033A, Williams, chrome alloy. It's got some old owner's marks in it. It's 15/16 by 7/8. The Super Wrench Williams. There you go. 1116. Little shrinky dink. Williams Super Wrench. Offset double box. 19/32 by ½ inch. The model number is 8025. 9/16 Blackhawk BW1163, BW1163. Trying to read the owner's marks, can't really read it. Blackhawk BW1161, 7/16 BW1161. (9/16 by ½ inch Blackhawk 47258, or that's 4725B, 4725B, 9/16 by ½ inch. This is a Blackhawk 1162. Got a nice little set going there. Blackhawk 1162 ½ inch. So I've got in front of me 1165, 1164, 1163, 1162, 1161. That's nice. This is old. Can Rick read it? Yeah, it's a Williams. Man, this thing is old. Williams, 9/16. I can't even read the other side. I'm gonna have to wire wheel it. That's an oldie. Little teeny tiny breaker bar. It's a Williams M-42, Williams M-42. 1/4 inch drive, made in the USA. Let's see if it even moves. It does move. Impressive, because this thing is old. I can't read it, to be honest with you. Model number is 787. It's a Williams. This thing is old. Man, oh man, beat. S-wrench. Another oldie, 703. It's a Williams 703. Now, I don't know if it came like this or if it's been modified. It looks modified, but I don't know enough about these wrenches. This is a 5/8 Williams model number 703. I'll do a Google lens on this or an eBay lens and see. If you guys know about these wrenches, let me know. I'll tell you what, if Apple Rust and soaking in simple green, this thing will look brand new. This is the last wrench, and then we have some sockets. This is a Blackhawk BW1208H, 3/8 by 7/16, offset double box, 6-point. Very cool. Beauty. One more wrench and 2 punches, and then we go to see the sockets. This is a Blackhawk BW1021. It's a 1/4 inch, man. This thing is tiny. Blackhawk. I think it says BW1021. That's a little peewee. It says wear goggles. That's a Williams. Again, unbelievably impressed with this guy's brand loyalty. Williams P-4, I believe that says. Punch. Think it's been used a little. This is a Williams P-10, P-10 Williams. See if the camera will pick that up. Okay, hi guys, it's a couple hours later now. My garage was turning into a furnace with the sun beating on the wall. And honestly, my back was starting to go out. I had shot a video right before this one, and then I showed all of these tools. So I've been reaching to the camera for about an hour and a half straight, and my back just got really sore. So here we go on with the sockets. First one, I'm guessing by brand loyalty, this is gonna be a Blackhawk or a Williams, and it's a 1/2 inch drive Blackhawk number 8434, half-inch drive, 1 1/16. Next one, 8134 Blackhawk. This one's 1 1/16. Hard to read. A little rusty, but check these out now, because after they go in evaporescent simple green, they are going to look a lot different. Wow, this is a big one. Blackhawk 60040, 1 1/4. I believe that's 3/4 drive. That's half-inch drive. Let me confirm. 3/4 inch drive. Wow. So again, Blackhawk 60040, 3/4 inch drive, 1 1/4. Another 3/4 drive, Williams 1 1/8, 3/4 drive. Model number H-1236. Williams on this side, Blackhawk on this side. Let me get that in the frame. Blackhawk, Williams. Williams 1 inch, 3/4 drive. Blackhawk 31/32. Blackhawk. Can't read much else. Model number 40131 Blackhawk. 3/8. That's half-inch drive. Half-inch drive. Half-inch drive. 3/8 drive. 3/4 drive. Wow. 3/4 drive. Williams H-1232. 1 inch drive. That's what I thought. I was having deja vu. 2 H-1232s. 2 12-point 3/4 drive. That's what's sitting right there. H-1228. That's a 3/4 inch drive, 7/8 socket. That's half-inch drive. Williams SD-1226, 13/16 deep, half-inch drive. This is spark plug sockets, 3/8 drive, Blackhawk, 3/8 drive, 5/8 spark plug socket, 6-point. Williams half-inch drive, 3/4 inch, ST-1224. Boy, this one is old. It's a Blackhawk, 3/4 inch, half-inch drive, beat to hell. 25/32, Williams ST-1225, half-inch drive. Williams B620, 5/8. Williams B1222, 11/16, 6-point, 12-point. Williams ST-1218, 9/16, half-inch drive. 6-point, Blackhawk, 9/16, half-inch drive. Another spark plug socket, Blackhawk 1520S, 5/8. Is that the same as this one? 1520S, exactly the same. This is 1/4 inch drive. B-1222, 11/16. Sometimes I gotta check my eyes to see me. I'm sorry, that's 3/8 drive. That's 3/8 drive. Blackhawk 9/16, 30418, Blackhawk deep, 3/8 drive, 9/16. BD 618, 9/16, 3/8 drive. Another spark plug socket. Blackhawk 1520S. I have 3 Blackhawk 1520S. This is 3/8 to half-inch US BS130 Williams. This is an ST-1216 half-inch Williams, half-inch drive. This is a BD 1212 3/8 Blackhawk deep, 12-point. I don't think this one's been used. 3/8 drive, 3/8 socket, BD 1212. And I'm sorry I haven't been showing these to the camera. Really nothing special. This one, not bad at all though. Sorry about that. I should be reaching farther forward. 9/16, 30418 Blackhawk, 3/8 drive, deep, 9/16. This is a unique looking socket, 12-point. Blackhawk, half-inch drive, half-inch socket. Can't read much else. 40314, super deep. Williams F1220 shallow, 5/8, 3/8 drive. 6, 7, 8 to go. We all done. That's a Blackhawk GW610M, 10 millimeter, and they broke the drive off in it. So there's your 10 millimeter Williams 10 millimeter. They broke the drive off, and I'm gonna see if I can punch that out real quick. Hold on 1 second. Got it. So they broke the 1/4 inch ratchet inside the Blackhawk 10 millimeter socket, but you can see now it's clear. So we got a 10 millimeter socket and a broken socket ratchet anvil. All right, Williams ST-1216. Williams half-inch drive, half-inch socket. Williams 40616, half-inch drive, half-inch socket, 6-point. Couple to go and we'll be all done. If you stuck around this long, thank you very much. ST1220, half-inch drive, 5/8 Williams. This is the first owner's mark I've seen in any of these sockets. It's a B1208, 1/4-inch, 3/8 drive. There's a flex socket. Now it hardly moves. Wait till I clean it. I'm gonna dip it in Evaporust. Whoa, Evaporust. Woo! And we'll see if this works later. If I remember, I'll put this on video. It's a beautiful socket. 3/4-inch. That's a 3/8 drive with a 3/4-inch swivel socket on it. 3 to go, 4 to go. We're all done. Well, 1/2-inch to 3/8. Maximum torque, Blackhawk, max torque. 1/2-inch to 3/8. 34965, 34965. Blackhawk. This is a Blackhawk 8418. This is old. 9/16, 1/2-inch drive. This is old socket with stuff falling out of it. Oh, look at the last ones. Wait till you see the last one. Blackhawk 21/32. 21. I don't even think I've ever seen a 21/32. 40121, 1/2-inch drive. 21/32. Wait till you see this one. The last one's a double square. Look at that. That's a 9/16 Williams ST818 double square. Very cool. So there's a 3/8 drive. I'd say that's 1/2-inch drive. And there's a double square. Wow. Really cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the camera and give you a close-up of all this. Hold on one second. Okay, what I'm doing my best. This is a long video, I know. Thanks for sticking out. Okay, so here are those awesome, awesome Blackhawk ratchets. And then those big wrenches, and there's that giant screwdriver. And then the Blackhawk. And the adjustable wrenches, the big wrench, that last Blackhawk. Sorry guys, right in the middle of the conclusion of the video, my wife came in the garage to tell me that my dog had a tick. So we're back. There's all the Blackhawk sockets, triple square, all the sockets. Let me get the wire out of the way. So there's all the sockets. There's all the Williams sockets. Here's all the Blackhawk wrenches. Let me walk around this side, try to do it this way. And last, I'll show you the giant set. And then I'm going to be cleaning all of this before I list it. So look at these closely. This is about a 20-piece-ish Williams Super Wrench set. And look at them now, and then remember them after I clean them. Or remember them now so you can see what they look like after I clean them. So here's this Williams Super Wrench. There's a cluster here of little tiny wrenches and punches. And they're gonna get bigger, so I gotta lift the camera as we go to fit them in because those over there are pretty big. Well used, but it's still a great looking set. Okay guys, if you watched this whole video, thank you. I'm exhausted. It's hot in here. And reaching out, holding the wrenches to the camera for an hour for 2 straight videos. Whew. Like and subscribe. If I didn't already show you, then you can see this is what's coming. There's 100 in there. And then each one of these boxes here, that box, that box, that box, those 3 boxes. Each box weighs about 50 pounds, completely filled with tools. This one here is 20 lots. Now I have about 600 bucks into this box right here. And then you got the 100 wrenches over there. So I'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a long video, but man, I love looking at tools. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.